Who are you?
I'm Kuka, and I used to be cabin crew, but not anymore because of the situation with Corona. And who are you?
I'm Soren. I'm a pilot. I am.
You really?
Believe it or not, I'm a captain.
No.
I fly the 787 in the winter and the 737 in the summer. But at the moment, obviously not flying at all. So.
No, we're at home, as you can see.
And before making this, we're a couple, and hopefully after making this, we're also a couple. Because this is it, we're bored, and we need a little bit of a competition.
Oh yeah.
So today's competition is about hand signals. Hand signals. So for those of you that are not familiar with hand signals, it's something that sometimes pilots use when they cannot communicate via the interphone or the normal way with the ground crew. So we have some signals that we use with our hands to the ground crew to tell them what we want to do, and the other way around as well. So the same thing I have been told happens in the cabin. And why is that?
Well, basically, if you're middle of the cabin and you want something on the galley and your colleague is in the galley, basically we just press the bell and give hand signals to the other cabin crew to tell what we want. Because otherwise it's not that handy to scream middle of the plane, I want coffee, you know?
I think so. What would be like? Coffee would be like what? Or tea or?
Well, soon we will see what these hand signals are.
Okay.
So what we use between cabin crew in the airline I have been working.
Okay.
In the cabin.
I've just come up with an idea.
What?
Because I see cinnamon buns. Every time you get a right answer, you can take half a cinnamon bun.
Just a half?
Yeah.
Who
Because there's
eats
five questions.
Okay.
Okay, so who's
So let's just make it clear. This is not unfair because we have been working in the same company.
Yeah.
So these are hand signals that Soren might have seen in the cabin when he's coming out for his coffee. And well, I have been working in ground handling before, so I might have seen some of the signals as well.
So you were just saying something. Why would I be coming out of the flight deck to get a coffee?
So you say that you fly from UK to Thailand without coming out from the flight deck.
Because I thought sometimes the deal was that if I need a coffee, I can kindly ask for a coffee.
Really?
Okay.
No.
Okay.
But yes, pilots do come out from the flight deck every now and then.
So sometimes, yeah, I do come out and I make my own coffee.
Okay, so this is pilot versus cabin crew.
And no matter what happens, we're still friends afterwards, or still.
Oh, we're just friends?
Oh, no.
Okay, so I just take the ring off.
No, okay, let's get started.
Okay.
Who starts?
I will start.
Okay.
Okay, I will show it to you first, and then I will show it to you. So what would be I asking if I do this?
Toblerone. Yeah? Can I have a...
No.
No?
It's water. It's a W. Can you see? W, water.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll show it first to the camera.
Okay. Let me think. Because I have two options right here.
Yeah, you can either answer correctly or wrong.
No! This is not my final answer. I just give you my thought process. This is either the pushback is attached or it's the brakes.
Okay, so when you say pushback, you mean the tow bar?
Tow bar, yeah. So I would say I will go with the tow bar.
You're gonna have a grape.
Woo! Okay, next one. Your turn?
Okay.
What I'm asking?
Smile. You're getting. What are they called? Cheese chips.
Cheese chips?
Yeah.
No, it's a cheese box. Cheese box.
Okay, I'm not doing very well. Okay, my one now.
Okay, so 1 and 0.
Yeah. Okay, just.
You are asking the ground crewmen the headsets on so you can communicate with them.
Yeah, that's correct.
Woo! So 2-0.
Oh.
How you feeling?
I'm okay.
This one. What I'm
Okay.
asking for.
A blanket.
Okay, correct. That's the engine number 2. That you're starting up the engine number 2.
Yeah.
Right? Why am I so good at this?
I don't know.
Okay, the last one was way too easy.
I thought it was fine.
Okay.
Okay, that's a. You're asking. Do we have that?
What I'm asking.
Diaper?
Oh, so diapers are part of my pre-departure
Yeah,
checklist. Yes.
That's what.
Yeah.
What was the right answer?
It's kids box. This is a child,
So what?
and
Okay.
this is a box.
Okay.
So kids box.
Okay.
So, okay, so if this is something that the ground handling is actually pointing at you, or a firefighter, that means fire. But let's say that that's something I should know, as well as a cabin crew,
Yeah.
because we are looking out of the windows.
Okay, so last one.
Last one. Okay. What do you think?
Chicken roll
Roll?
or wrap.
Okay, chicken wrap. You got it correct. So
Yeah.
you have 2 out of 5.
Yeah, and then it's the last one, yeah? Okay, this one. Oh, I can't.
Oh. No, you can't!
I had chicken roll.
Okay. So this one.
Mhm.
That is. Let me think. It is. This is releasing. This is engaging. So what you're engaging? Brakes?
Yes, it's
Woo!
great.
Brake set.
So that was what, 5? And I removed the evidence, but I have eaten one, so 5-2. So
So
okay,
who is better at hand signals?
Yeah.
Cabin crew. Next one, we will be checking our lingo.
A what?
Lingo.
Lingo.
Oh, this is going to be so
Lingo.
good. This is going to be so good.
Guys, what would be the next
Okay,
quiz that you would like to?
thanks for watching. I hope you actually did take some part in. Down below, you can give your guesses. We're happy to read them.
I thought you meant questions.
Well, if you have questions, put them
Okay.
down below as well.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Bye! You happy with that? How should we start this video?
So who are you?
No. Shouldn't we start saying hi?
Modna decode.
What? Decode? So it's some kind of mod decode. You are decoding mods.